You just found the 2020 Jeep Cherokee. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Cherokee has your back on all your adventures. Its generous cargo capacity, safety technology, off-road capability, and passenger-friendly interior infuse each journey with confidence. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, satellite radio, remote engine start, power passenger seat, fog lamps, backup camera, power liftgate, four-wheel drive, alarm, heated front seat. Rugged off-road cargo hauler meets refined connected SUV in the Cherokee. Drive it today.